All right, guys, so this is update time. I know the last time you guys checked out the video about how to put this trim feed on, but I found a better way and a quicker solution that'll save you guys a lot of time and a lot of heartache. So I'm just taking the old trim off. Now I know before I told you to put the trim line into those little holes. Scratch that. I found a better way, and it's going to be a lot more simple, a lot easier. And let me see. So I have two different types of trim. I have this black diamond trim that I've been using lately. I like it a lot. It's really sharp and cuts. But I still have some of this older trim that I had. I'm just going to use this. Basically, all you're going to do is measure how much trim line you want, right? And you're going to cut it. So we'll say about 3 to 4 feet. And then we're going to chop it. I want to do this real simple for you guys, right? So we got this trim. And I'm going to get closer to the camera so you guys can see. Now, originally there's these little holes right here that I was telling you guys to put the trim in. Do not do that. It's a lot of heartache and hassle. So this is so much simpler, but basically all you're gonna do is get your trim and see this little groove right here. All you're gonna do is insert, make sure it's even, right? Okay, hold on a second. So you're gonna make sure that it's even on the end, right? You're gonna take the middle part, right here. See this? And you're gonna stick it right in this little channel right here. I don't know if you guys could see that. And you're gonna lock it in place, and it says wind line, right? You're just gonna follow the arrow and make sure that the line is on each track, right where that little channel is at. See that? And you're just gonna wind this bad boy, dude. That's all. Oh man. So just wind, right? So much easier. And now, as you're getting closer to the end, all you're gonna do is stick one line inside one of these little line tracks right there. See the little groove? You're gonna stick one right there, and then you're gonna get the other side and you're gonna stick it right there like that. See that? So much faster. Now all you got to do is take your trim or your speed feed head, right? And you're gonna put the bump feed, you're gonna insert it like, oops, hold on a second. I just let go of this thing. Oh man, it unwinded all quick. Okay, here we go. Okay, so like so. And you're just gonna put this in here like this. One, right? And then two. Okay, there you go. And then all you're gonna do is pop it in place. Like you, and you're gonna turn it to lock it. Boom. And that is it. Let's start this bad boy up and make sure that it's running and the bump feed's gonna work properly, okay? So, I'm gonna do this. Okay. Oops. Okay, you see it's in right now. Let's go ahead and bump it. Let's go ahead and bump the bump feed to make sure that it's working. And there you have it. And there you have it. Super fast, simple, and efficient. Way better than that other tutorial video that he did. So just to give you guys an update. Hopefully this helps. It's gonna be so much better. It's because this bump feed trimmer head is really good, and it's gonna save you a lot of time and heartache. So hopefully this helps. Leave a comment down below and like and subscribe.